Good morning from Graham Family Farm. It's November 14th, 2025. It's around 9 a.m. and it's about 48 degrees. Pretty cloudy. There is some blue off to the west. I hope to get more sunshine today. There's that red chicken still running around here. And I have 7-Eleven chickens follow me. They want their breakfast. Good morning, Edith and Harold. Well, I better feed these 7-Eleven chickens first, so I don't trip over them. They follow me everywhere. Everyone's got their feed. Go up and turn the water on so I can water them. And I'll be finished feeding down here. I got the water turned on. I'm going to top off these dishes. And then I'm going to take Doc and the son to Kashmir. Doc's got to get a title situated on the Fire Stroke truck. You got the original owner is in Kashmir. The guy you got it from in Ellsberg didn't come through, so I'm gonna spend a lot of time and fuel just because someone went against what they had said. All right, all the livestock's taken care of. Lost a lot of leaves here yesterday. Alright, we're gonna head to Kashmir and I filmed that trip too. Appreciate you watching.